Hi everyone, my name is Velia Alcala. I am a first year biology major. Some of my achievements would have to be, first off, passing one of my classes from last quarter, which was very difficult. I managed to get the grade that I wanted, so there's that. Another would have to be going to college in general because I'm the first in my family to go to college. Some interests and hobbies of mine include listening to music. It helps me focus a lot now that I'm working at home. I also like to work out. I like to play volleyball too. I've been playing the sport for almost 10 years now. I am also a graphic designer, as you can see from the banner up here. Nope, right there. There you go. Yeah, so there's that. Some goals of mine are to volunteer at hospitals and to shadow doctors because I hope to get into the medical field. I was planning to shadow and volunteer during spring break, but unfortunately that wasn't possible. So hopefully by the end of 2020 I'm able to do that. What I hope to gain from this class is more confidence. As of now, I feel like I'm mumbling. I don't know if you guys hear that I'm mumbling, but I feel like I could do better at public speaking. I do okay, but I feel like there's improvement. So yeah. So make sure you guys stay safe and have a nice day.